Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing how to thread the Brother CS7000X sewing machine. I'm going to go over the bobbin lower threading, the upper threading, and then how to use their automatic needle function, needle threader function. It's not super automatic, but it certainly is easy enough that I've really gotten the hang of it. If you're interested in purchasing the machine, there is a link in the description, so you can go ahead and use that if you'd like. So let's get into it. To start with, this is going to be how to do the lower or bobbin thread process. So here you have a loaded bobbin. And to start, you want to make sure that the bobbin looks like the letter P. That's a tip I heard from another video here. So you're going to have the tail looking like the letter P. You don't want it on the other side like this. You want it to look like this. And what you're going to do is there is a little guide here, and it's hard to see with the camera, but you're going to basically thread it through and then bring it up and trim it here. So I'm going to just bring it in here like this, and sometimes it can be a little bit finicky, so you may want to adjust the length here. And then I like to just put a finger here to make it a little easier to guide it. Pull and trim. And then from there you can just replace the cover and your bobbin thread is all set. To thread the upper thread, you're going to take your spool, put it on this, which is a spool pin, and then you're going to make sure that your thread is pointing towards the left from behind. And then you're just going to follow the steps starting from here all the way down. So I'll have the camera follow me as I do it. I'm going to start here. And then as you can see, you're just going to go down here, thread here. And then this part, you're going to go alongside the right up here. And then pull it towards the front so you'll see a little loop there. And the last stage is to put the thread right behind this notch here. Like that. The automatic needle threader on the Brother CS7000X is right here. To start with, I'm just going to go over the pieces that are kind of fundamental to the process, and then I'll show you how to do it with the thread. So this is the lever part that you're going to actually push down and then also push back at the same time, because this part, when you do that, it brings this second hook right here to the front, which is how it can get to the eye of the needle. So what you're going to do is you have this part that pushes, the little notch here, and then there's that second notch, which hopefully you can see right back here. That's where you're going to thread the needle on the opposite side. So it's going to look like a reverse 4. You can kind of see that shape right there. And that's what the thread will look like. So those are the 3 main components of the needle threader. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by pulling the thread towards the left-hand side, looping it underneath this notch, and then at the same time you're going to push this down and push this to the front, as I just showed you before. Except this time you're going to have the thread underneath the notch and through that. So let me show you right now. All right, and so as you can see here, it creates that 4 shape. And so then you're going to take the tail and loop it, I kind of just do it by feel, right in the loop, the second notch of this part right here. And then kind of keep a handle on it there. You're going to gently lift up. And as you can see, there is a loop right there that it creates from the mechanism. And so you're going to pull the thread, you're going to pull that loop and pull the thread through. And there you go. So that's how you use the automatic needle threader and how to thread this Brother CS7000X sewing machine. Again, I do have a link in the description if you're interested, and if you have any questions or other features you want to see, let me know in the comments. Thanks!